Hello everyone, my name is Laura Pagano. I'm a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Peachtree City. Today we're going to be talking about the weekly weather briefing starting March 2nd, 2017. Here are some of the highlights from this weather briefing. We have record warm conditions across the area for the month of February. And we'll talk a bit about a cold front that crossed yesterday afternoon through early this morning, bringing heavy rain and severe thunderstorms across the area. We'll also talk about cool down through Saturday with cooler high pressure moving into the area, and then a warming trend beginning of next week as the high pressure shifts off to the east, bringing more warm southerly flow. The next rain chance will be Tuesday into Wednesday as the next cold front approaches the area. So how warm has it been across the area? Well, it has been the warmest February on record in Atlanta, and that's dating all the way back to 1879. So we took number one place for the month of February as in mean average temperature at 56.1 degrees. Taking a look at some other climate sites across the area for the month of February, Athens ranked third warmest at 55.1 degrees, and Macon was third warmest February as well at 57.5 degrees. In terms of meteorological winter, which is the coldest months, December, January, and into February, Atlanta ranks the third warmest on record since 1878. And you can also see in Athens, they ranked second, Columbus ranked fourth, and Macon ranked fifth warmest meteorological winter. Well, with such a warm February, how is March looking temperature-wise? And it seems, based off the Climate Prediction Center, that we are going to be seeing above normal temperatures. Here's the latest drought map across the area, and we still see pretty extreme conditions continue across the far north portions of Georgia, as some locations need up to 15 or more inches of rain to even get out of the drought. Perhaps some of the rain received yesterday afternoon into the evening will help with the drought conditions across the north. And this is a radar animation of the squall line just ahead of the main cold front that pushed through yesterday afternoon through the overnight hours as it shifted further to the south and east. The main impacts with this line of heavy showers and thunderstorms was the heavy rain, hail, and gusty winds. And here are the 24-hour rainfall amounts that is associated with the cold front that came through last night. So there was a widespread quarter to half an inch of rain across much of the area, but there were localized higher amounts of greater than an inch across Franklin, Hart, Banks, and Hall counties. Here is a summary of the storms that passed through the area yesterday afternoon into the overnight hours. And as you can see on the right here, there's the tornado watch draped across the far northern tier of Georgia, the severe thunderstorm watch across just south of that, and the warnings that were issued across the line as it went through. And we can see here that we've received 20 reports in 9 counties of severe wind, which means trees, power lines down, roof damage, and at least 10 reports of quarter to golf ball size hail. There was a brush fire that started in Lumpkin County due to a lightning strike. So taking a look at the current conditions after the front has progressed through, we can see the rain is moving off the southeast coast associated with that front, and we're going to have cool high pressure from the central U.S. building east into our area. So given that the cool high pressure will be building into the area through the weekend and winds starting to calm, we'll see temperatures really drop, especially Saturday morning, with locations across the far northern tier in the mid to upper 20s and even locations just south of Macon in the mid 30s. So given that we've moved up the frost freeze program 2 weeks early thanks to so much warmth we had the last couple months, we will likely need to issue a freeze warning for a portion of the area Friday night into Saturday morning. So as the high pressure shifts off to the east, the next best rain chance will be Tuesday into Wednesday with isolated storms possible. This is in association with a cold front that will be approaching the area Tuesday and crossing Wednesday. There is a lot of model uncertainty with the timing and intensity, so this is just a forecast of what we think the rainfall will be in terms of amounts Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. So bringing everything together to look at the weather outlook, we were going to be seeing very beautiful conditions as we go through the weekend. Keep in mind it will be a bit breezy today and into tomorrow as we are sandwiched between the cold front exiting off the east coast and then the high pressure building in from the west. So that will make for some breezy conditions. Temperatures are going to be below normal, but we are going to see a warm up Sunday with temperatures getting around normal, and then by the beginning of the work week, we're going to be seeing temperatures soar above normal, well above normal in some locations, with precipitation introduced by Tuesday into Wednesday as the next front approaches. So in summary, we saw record warm temperatures in February and one of the top warmest meteorological winters we've seen on record. We had a cold front pass through early this morning and it is continuing to exit off the east coast with a brief cool down through Saturday. We will return to above normal temperatures by the beginning of the work week with the next best chance of rain to return Tuesday through Wednesday. And if you ever need to contact us for any reason, here are our different ways to contact us. And you can reach us by phone. You can look at our website if you need detailed information. We're also on Twitter and Facebook, and obviously we're on YouTube. If you need to see the briefing package and the individual slides, you can get that off of our briefing page as well. I hope everybody has a wonderful week.